To attract the interviewer's attention, your resume should not only highlight your skills and experience but also tell a story about who you are as a professional. The goal is to show that you're a perfect match for the job and that you can add value to the company. Think of your resume as a marketing tool that showcases your most important professional attributes in the best possible light. Creating a strong resume is crucial when it comes to attracting interviewers and standing out in the job market. A well-crafted resume highlights your skills, experiences, and accomplishments in a way that grabs the attention of hiring managers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare your resume, the hierarchy of sections, and tips to make it stand out. Resume should be made as per hierarchy. Resume structure or hierarchy consists of: first, contact information. At the top of your resume, include full name, phone number, professional email address. LinkedIn profile, it's optional but recommended. Portfolio or personal website, if applicable. Second, professional summary or objective. This is a brief section of 2 to 3 lines that summarize your career and goals. Tailor it to match the job you're applying for. For entry-level roles, focus on your skills, education, and enthusiasm to contribute to the company. For example, recent graduate with a degree in computer science and a passion for software development. Looking to apply coding skills and learn from an innovative tech company. For experienced professionals, highlight your expertise, key achievements, career goals, and what you bring to the role. Focus on experience and results. For example, a results-driven marketing professional with 5+ years of experience in digital marketing and brand management. Proven track record in driving online engagement and increasing revenue by 30%. Seeking to leverage expertise to drive impactful marketing campaigns at company. Third, key skills. List 6 to 10 skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for. These could be technical skills like programming, project management software, etc., or soft skills like communication, teamwork, leadership, etc. Tailor this section to match the job description. Fourth, professional experience. This is the most important section where you highlight your work history. List your roles in reverse chronological order, most recent first. For each job mention: job title, company name, location as city and state, dates of employment, bullet points outlining key responsibilities and accomplishments. Focus on measurable results, example, increased sales by 20% or reduced costs by 15%. Fifth, education. List your degrees, certifications, and any relevant courses or training. For each entry, required name of degree or certification, name of school or institution, graduation date or expected graduation date, and any honors or distinctions. Sixth, certifications. It's optional. If applicable, include certifications that are relevant to the position. For examples, certified project manager, certified Google Analytics, etc. Seventh, additional sections. It's optional. You can include additional sections based on your experience like projects. If you worked on significant projects, especially if you're in fields like tech, design, or marketing, mention them. Volunteer experience. If relevant to the role, this can demonstrate your leadership, commitment, and interpersonal skills. Languages. If you speak more than one language, list them. Awards and honors. Highlight any awards or recognition you've received. Interests. Optional, but can be used to show personality or fit with company culture.